Welcome back everyone to Data Science for Everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how to install PySpark on Google Colab. Let's get started. So previously, before we were when we wanted to utilize any of the PySpark features, we had to do something that looks like this nasty mess, okay? Now, this would run and you would be able to import your Spark instance and be able to move along your way. Now, I've recently come across a more clean installation, and so that would be just pip install PySpark and py4j. Okay, and you can install these and run, and I will fast forward through. But this is all you're going to need. Okay, all you need. Once you've had a successful installation, you will see this successfully installed py4j, PySpark, and again whatever this particular version is. Now you can also dictate, for example, if you need a specific version of PySpark, you can actually tell it what you want. Same thing for py4j, but these work quite well. And let's just make sure that this actually works. So let's go on and say from pyspark.sql import spark session. And then we want to do something like spark is equal to spark session dot builder dot app name, and let's just call this test PySpark. And then we'll do something like dot get or create. And then let's go on and grab some data. So let's do df is equal to spark.read csv sample data. And what did we call this? What is the sample data that's on Colab? Let's do California housing. And so I'm just gonna copy the path for now. I'll just put this in here. And then let's say here header true, infer schema is true. Spark, whoops. And again here it's read.csv.